Hello friends, this is Momita and you are watching Moki Life with Smiles. So as an English learner, I came up with two new English words which I have learned. I want to share with you so that we can learn together. So before that, I want to say a very good evening to all of you. I hope you all are fine. I am also good too. So today I am going to share with you two new words and both are noun. The first one is informative and the second one is despite. So both are very useful and very common words you can use in your day-to-day conversation. The first one is informative. The spelling of informative is INFIRMITY. INFIRMITY. Informative. Informative means its English meaning is physically and mentally weakness. Physically and mentally weakness. Its Bengali meaning is durbolota ba oshusthota. So if I make an example with this informative, then I can make a simple example like after getting age, the informative has come to the all people. After getting age, the informative has come to the all people. Its Bengali meaning is বয়স বাড়ার সঙ্গে সঙ্গে বা বয়স হওয়ার পর প্রত্যেকের শরীরে শারীরিক বা মানসিক দুর্বলতা আসে। প্রত্যেকের শরীরেই দুর্বলতা আসে বা অসুস্থতা আসে। So this was the first example, and if I make another example, then he is suffering from infirmity due to age. He is suffering from infirmity due to age. সে ওর দুর্বলতায় ভুগছে তার এজের কারণে বা তার বয়স্কজনিত কারণে সে শারীরিক দুর্বলতায় ভুগছে। শারীরিক এবং মানসিক দুর্বলতায় ভুগছে সে তার আর এজের কারণে বা বয়সজনিত কারণে সে শারীরিক বা মানসিক দুর্বলতায় ভুগছে। So this was the first one. I have shared two examples with you. I hope you guys understood. And the second one is despite. DESPITE. The spelling is DESPITE. This is very useful and common word you might have known. Despite. The spelling is DESPITE. Despite means without. Its English meaning is without being affected the thing mentioned. Without being affected the thing mentioned. Its Bengali meaning is সত্ত্বেও. So if I make an example with this despite, then I can make despite I am speaking English but I am learning English. Despite I am speaking English but I am learning English. Its Bengali meaning is whoever here Bengali learner or Bengali speaker, they will understand after I explain it in Bengali. So despite I am speaking English but I am learning English. আমি ইংরেজি বলতে পারি তার সত্ত্বেও আমি ইংরেজি শিখছি। Despite I am speaking English but I am learning English. আমি ইংরেজি বলতে পারি তা সত্ত্বেও আমি ইংরেজি শিখছি। আমি ইংরেজি বলতে পারি তা সত্ত্বেও আমি ইংরেজি শিখছি। If I make another example, then despite they are earning little amount of money but they are happy. Despite they are earning a little amount of money but they are happy. তারা খুবই কম আয় করা সত্ত্বেও তারা খুবই হ্যাপি। তারা খুব কম আয় করছে বা খুব কম ইনকাম করছে তা সত্ত্বেও তারা খুব হ্যাপি। I tried my best to make you understand. I hope you guys liked my video. The first one is informative and the second one is despite. You can follow the screen. Here everything is mentioned. So this is all for today's video. So if you are watching from YouTube, then please subscribe my channel, because I am sharing new words, new vocabs, which are very informative and very useful for any exams. And don't forget to press the bell icon, and please like, comment and share. And if you're watching from Facebook, then please follow me, and don't forget to like, comment and share. And another thing is, whatever I am sharing with you, I will write them down in the description box. If you are watching from YouTube, you can check them out from there. So this was for today's video. See you in the next video. I don't want to make this video so lengthy. So bye for now. See you in the next video. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.